Hey there, future millionaires. Ever wondered if learning to invest can actually cost you money? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of Raiz Kids, a super cool app that teaches kids about investing in a fun and interactive way. But here's the burning question: does Raiz Kids have any fees? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of fees, let's quickly recap what makes Raiz Kids so awesome. It's like a virtual piggy bank on steroids. Kids can learn about different investment options, track their virtual portfolio, and even make pretend investment decisions. It's a fantastic way to introduce financial literacy in a way that's both engaging and exciting. So, does Raiz Kids itself cost anything? The good news is, no, Raiz Kids is completely free to download and use. That's right, you don't need to pay a single penny to access the app and all its amazing features. You can explore the app, learn about different investment strategies, and even create multiple virtual portfolios to experiment with different approaches. It's a fantastic resource for parents and educators to introduce financial concepts to young minds. Now, while Raiz Kids itself is free, it's important to remember that investing in the real world does involve costs. When you invest your actual money, you might encounter things like management fees. These are fees charged by investment companies to manage your investments. Trading fees. These are fees charged when you buy or sell investments. Brokerage fees. These are fees charged by your broker for executing trades on your behalf. Raiz Kids does a fantastic job of simulating these real-world scenarios. Kids can learn about the impact of these fees on their virtual returns, helping them understand the importance of choosing low-cost investment options. So, there you have it. Raiz Kids itself is a completely free and invaluable tool for teaching kids about investing. While real-world investing does involve costs, Raiz Kids provides a safe and engaging environment for kids to learn about these concepts and develop a strong foundation for their financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.